This will be our last run for today. We're running 2-year-old tires, but at night time high grip, so it's good. Can save on tires. This is the Gold TC. Very hard to see at night. I'm gonna paint white bodies. It's a TT01 running 4.5 but no boost yet. I'll put the power tomorrow. Today was a shakedown. Actually, we're happy. The car is well balanced, except we don't have pace. But it's well balanced. No understeer, no oversteer, no weird spin outs. Stable under brake. No torque steer. This Porsche, I've been driving the entire day. Not bad for a TT01. And there it goes. Mistake number 1. Tired. She's tired. Of course, at full speed when you brake, or the car broke, we'll see. Or she's tired. Something wrong.